Hi my friends, today we model this part. As you can see, it is an interesting part with the name Final Link. The drawing is here with all dimensions so that we can start. We'll create this contour and then this contour, and we'll apply extrusion with intersect to obtain the volume. Dimensions for the first sketch are here: radius 15, dimension of 70, dimension of 50. Take care with these two dimensions because this point is on the same horizontal with the midpoint of this line, and the radius 265. We'll extrude this contour on double of this radius. Okay. New standard millimeters IPT, sketch XY plane, circle with a radius of 15. Then we draw a line starting from a point of the circle, keeping pressed the left button, and we have a tangent. We go here and up. As I said, this midpoint is aligned with this center point. Dimensions are 70 and 50. We draw an arc from this point to the circle with a radius of 265. They are tangent. Trim, and we have the first sketch. Yes, finish sketch. Extrude, symmetrical, and dimension is twice of 27.5, as I said. Okay, then we use this plane to create a new sketch. F7, I project 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and I draw a circle tangent to 3 lines, tangent to this, tangent to this, and also to this. Then we again use the procedure, keep press the left button, go to somewhere, then keep press the left button, draw an arc, and go to this line. Good. I project now the axis X. I make it construction, and I apply mirror for these 3 entities. Also this. About this axis, apply. Then I draw a line. I trim firstly. I trim this arc and I place a dimension here of 30, radius of 20, and the angle of 30 degrees here. You can take a look at the drawing to see all these dimensions. Then I draw a horizontal to somewhere here, but horizontal. I press the left button, I go here and then back to the end. I place this center on the center point of this circle. I place the dimension of 15 between these two, and I have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, extrude this contour all the way with intersection. You see? Okay. We continue with this cavity. You see, it is one up and another one down. Dimensions are here. Radius 22.5, 12.5, and the radius 3 here. This small line is parallel with this. Okay. We select again this plane, but we don't use this because there is a dimension here of 5. Yes. So we create a plane by using this one at a distance of 5 divided by 2. New sketch, F7, then a circle with this center, a radius of 22.5, another one, a radius 12.5, then we start from this point with a line, not keeping pressed. We go to the right, we apply, we keep pressed now to obtain this arc and align to somewhere on the circle. You see what is here, yes? I project this line because I want to make this parallel to this with this. Dimensions, this is radius 3. Okay, and this is tangent to the circle. Good. 3 dimensions needed. Let's see what are they? One is this point. It is not in the center of this arc, so we apply coincident between these two. Then we apply tangent between these two, and we can apply mirror now because we have fully constrained sketch. Mirror of this line, this arc, and this arc. But I have to project firstly the axis X. I make it construction line, and now I apply mirror of the three entities, 1, 2, 3. Mirror line is this one. Apply. You see now what is here. Trim this arc, and other two. Also trim this. Yes. And now finish sketch, extrude that contour with cut up through the part. Okay. This plane is no more necessary. We apply the same procedure to the other side. We select this plane down at -5. Then we create a new sketch on this plane, and we project in that sketch this contour, F7. You see what happens. Yes, finish sketch, extrude the other direction with cut all the way through the part. Okay, this plane is not necessary anymore. Next is this hole with the counter bore. Dimensions are here: diameter of 11, diameter of 6.6, depth of 4.6. The other end is with a hexagon. We'll create after this feature. It has the same depth as the other one. Hole. I don't use the last used hole, but a new one, and I select this face, this center, counter bore, and dimensions are that ones because I use this. Only this is different. 6.6 through all. Yes, you see here. Okay, we turn the part, we select this face for a new sketch, and we use the polygon tool with this point as the center and horizontal. Done. I make this line to be horizontal with dimension of 11. Extrude on 4.6, as you know, with cut. 4.6. Okay. Now we have to apply these slots, 4 slots, yes? Dimensions are here, 30 from the center to this center of the other slot. The distance between centers is 4 and the width of the slot is 4. They are placed at 35 degrees. Good. We create a new plane by creating firstly an axis of this semi-cylinder and then this plane. Now we can rotate this plane to obtain what we want. We want 90 plus 35. But this is not the final plane because we have to create another one tangent to the part. This is not necessary and we use this for a new sketch. We use slot center to center, 4 millimeters and 4 divided by 2 as the radius. We project the vertical axis Y then we take a look to the sketch with this axis and we make this visible. Visibility. And we see that it is visible here. We project it on the plane and we can hide the original. We place this center over this plane. Then we apply the dimension from upper point to the projection of the center point of 30 divided by 2. You see? Good. Now we apply extrude of this area with cut to this face. Yes? Okay. I don't need this plane anymore. I close this, and now I apply mirror of the last feature. It is selected and the plane is this one. Okay, good. We apply another mirror of this last feature, which includes the other feature about the plane XY. You see here what happens. Okay, this part has some fillets, as you can see, not this, but also inside on both faces. The fillet is radius 2 all over. We don't include this radius 3. You see, radius 2 for all. I select one edge, 2 is by default, then I apply fillets on all these faces, edges. Good. Now we can see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is this one. The difference is very small, but we keep the last value because this is what we did here. Okay, now we go to material, steel carbon, we go to view to select not default IBL but default lights. We also use shaded instead shaded with edges. Now we can compare the two and you don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.